Here's a house model I made. This one you find interesting. I didn't know what this side of the house looked like. This is an architectural model I did. It's pretty kind of cool actually. It only took me forever. It's based on a house in Michigan. And this guy here, complete with little trees, didn't turn out so well. See? Complete with a small foundation. And as you might enjoy, a Lego palace. Awesome. Very nice. And Klaus. I love him. Oh, so sexy. Oh, Klaus, baby. I love you. So irresistible, you know? Oh, wow.